In French cuisine, the mother sauces, also known as grand sauces or leading sauces, are a group of sauce recipes upon which other sauces are based. There have been different classifications of mother sauces dating back to the 19th century. The most common group of mother sauces in current use is credited to Chef Auguste Escoffier as presented in the 1907 English language edition of his seminal reference cookery book Le Guide Culinaire. The original French editions of Le Guide Culinaire did not list hollandaise as a mother sauce, nor did the 1910 German translation. Some modern sources include mayonnaise with hollandaise in the list of mother sauces. The concept of mother sauces predated Escoffier's classification by at least 50 years. In 1844, a French magazine called Revue de Paris reported, "Oui ne savez pas que la grande espagnole est une sauce mère, dont toutes les autres preparations, telles que réductions, fonds de cuisine, jus, velouts, essences, coulis, ne sont, a proprement parler, que des derives." Different classifications of French sauces into mother and daughter sauces have been proposed by different chefs, varying in number and selection. In 1833, Marie-Antoine Carême published a classification of French sauces in his reference cookbook L'Art de la cuisine francaise aux siècles. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.